students are remaining.
Okay, sir. So with due permission of Father Director and Sister Principal,
Sister Principal is not
can
there,
we
Father
start?
is there.
Sister is there?
Yes, you can
Sister
start.
is there. Okay,
Sister
thank
will
you,
come.
Father.
Sister will join you. Don't worry about that. Start with
Okay,
prayer.
okay, thank you, Father. So, welcome you all. And as we are going to organize our finale of solo dance competition, I, Professor Gagan Mittal, welcome our Director, Father Simon Dar, Vice Principal, Dr. Vishal Mehta, members of Program Committee, our judges, and dear students. So, before commencing the program, we will start a program from 1 minute silence prayer. So, please be ready for silent prayer. Thank you. So now I invite, before commencing our program, now I invite our judges of solo singing competition, Dr. Swarna Lapalikar and Professor Asha Joshi, for their precious views. Swarna ma'am, please.
First of all, congratulations to all the winners and participants of solo singing competition. Two, three things I would like to discuss that कि सभी ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, लेकिन जजमेंट का जो बेस होता है बिफोर द पार्टिसिपेशन, सॉन्ग सिलेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने बहुत हाईली क्लासिकल सॉन्ग सिलेक्ट किए, बट अपने को अपनी कैपेबिलिटी भी देखना है कि हम उस सॉन्ग के साथ कितना जस्टिस कर रहे हैं. एंड सेकेंड थिंग कि वो सॉन्ग अपने लिए सूटेबल है या नहीं है. तो जजमेंट जब भी होता है वो पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस को देखकर नहीं होता है, वो एट अ टाइम उन 3 मिनट्स में आपने क्या गाया है, कैसा परफॉर्म किया, उस पर जजमेंट होता है ना. सो कांग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल द विनर्स.
Thank you, yes, Swarna ma'am, for your precious word. Now I invite Professor Asha Joshi. Sir, please.
Thank you, Gagan sir. As rightly said by Swarna ma'am, actually there are a lot of things which have been seen. Apart from that, also there is one marking regarding the total overall impact of the song on the audience actually. So in that very many things goes. Also the setting of the instruments and the mic, that is also very important aspect. The main thing has to be taken, the responsibility should be main goes to the participants also, and also the ambience, the presentation and how you have performing it in your house actually. So that also matters a lot. For example, माइक की आवाज आ रही थी, पीछे से कुछ सेटिंग्स वगैरह की आवाज आ रही थी, तो ये सब चीजें भी ध्यान में रखना बहुत जरूरी है पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स, स्पेशली ऑनलाइन कॉम्पिटिशंस के अंदर. तो ये सब चीजें बिल्कुल गौर की गई है जजेस द्वारा. सो बट दैट वाज अ वेरी नेक टू नेक कॉम्पिटिशन. सो जो कॉम्पिटिशन का लेवल है वो जैसे जैसे हमारा ये कॉम्पिटिशन बढ़ता गया है वो काफी टफ होता गया है. एंड आई होप कि यही चीज आज के हमारे डांस कॉम्पिटिशन में भी रहेगी. सो दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम आवर साइड. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Asha sir. I hope students will take care of your suggesting word. So, dear students, now we are moving ahead for our most awaited moment, most awaited event, that is dance competition, finale dance competition. So, I will call one by one, and before that, please, students, please take care of notes that you should keep your mobile on horizontal mode. Please keep your mobile on horizontal mode so that you can perform very well. And secondly, please keep your speaker close to you so that voice come clearly. Okay, and after performing, when one student is performing, other participants, please keep your video audio on mute mode. Thank you. So now I am inviting first participant, Chirayu Shivasta from BSc first year. Chirayu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
After Chirayu, Preeti Jat. Preeti Jat, are you here? If Preeti Jat is here, please be ready. I think Preeti is not here. After Preeti, Tanishka, you are here? Tanishka?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
After Chirayu, your turn will be there, so you please be ready.
All
Okay?
right, sir. Okay.
Chirayu?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Vita. You are audible. Please start. Okay. So sorry. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute, Chirayu. Wait for a minute, Chirayu. Chirayu. Wait for a minute. Sorry for the interruption. Before moving ahead, I would like to call our sister principal for announcing the result of solo singing competition. Please, sister, please. Hello. Sister, you are not audible, sister. You are not audible, sister.
Now audible?
Yes, sister. Thank you.
So, did you? So the result of the competition. Before that, I congratulate first my dear children, those who participated, and the class teachers who motivated them to participate in this competition. Then, especially I congratulate the program committee. They planned this program. That is Arati Patel and Suvarna ma'am and Sarida Rana. So a special congratulations for that coordinating all this program, and judges and class teachers also. So now I announce today morning the singing competition, solo singing competition. So third prize goes to Sarvesh Raj, BCom CA third year, and Nirmal Gaur, BCom FT third year. Then second place goes to Noel Shaji, BA second year. Then first prize goes to Jobin George Bush, BCom CA or BCom CA second year. So first prize goes to Jobin George Bush, BCom CA second year. Second prize goes to Noel Shaji, BA second year. Then third prize goes to Sarvesh Raj, BCom CA third year, and Nirmal Gaur, BCom FT third year. So congratulations all the winners. Continue this one. May God bless you all. Thank you. So best wishes now for the next dance competition. Go
Thank
on.
you, sister. Thank you, sister. Congratulations to all the winners and participants as well. Now we are moving ahead. And Chirayu, are you ready, beta?
Sir. Should I start?
After Chirayu, Preeti, please be ready, beta. Thank you, Chirayu, for your energetic performance. Now I would like to call next performer, Preeti Jat. Preeti, are you here? Preeti? Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Beta. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After Preeti, Tanishka, beta, please be ready.
Okay, sir.
Start, Preeti.
घूंघी बना लो रोशनी से नूर के शर्मा गई तो खामोश रहना ये मेरी सांसें बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के हल्के खून से हल्के हल्के बोल हल्के
Thank you. Well done, Preeti, for your mesmerizing performance. Very decent. Now I would like to call Tanishka Jain. Tanishka, are you ready?
Yes.
After Tanishka, Sachin. Sachin, are you here? Sachin Prajapat from BCom Honors. Sorry, BCom CA second year. Sachin.
Yes, sir, I am here.
After Tanishka, beta, please be ready.
Yes, sir.
Tanishka, start, beta.
Yeah, sir, just a minute. Hello? Sir, should I start?
Yes, beta, but you are not visible.
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, beta, please start.
कलारा चला जैसी कवारा फिर दासी कुड़िया दे पीछे मारा मारा एक ता मोहल्ला सारा वेखदा नजारा एक पीपड़ी दा चुकी में वजना नगाड़ा नचीनी वो नच तेरा नचदा नगाड़ा बैगया कलारा एक पीपड़ी दा चुकी में वजना नगाड़ा मुझे पता लगा मेरे डैडी नू वे बचदा नहीं तू मैं दस्सा तेनू ना राती कंध टप के तू आई मन वे ना राती कंध टप के तू आई मन वे मेरी मम्मी नू पसंद नहीं तू वे तेरा थोड़ा हूं मैं दस्सा तेनू मैं तारी तेनू प्यार करदी चंद वे मैं तारी तेनू प्यार करदी चंद वे
Oh my God, original.
छोड़ी तेरी मैं उससे बड़ी हाई फाई चले आए छोड़ी तेरी मैं उससे बड़ी हाई फाई तूने खेल मैं भी कर दिया मैं तारे ना तेरे साथ होने सारी की सारी तेरी विश करूं सारी की सारी तेरी विश करूं मैं तो भूल गया तेरे सोने तेरी बातें चलता है तेरा जिया बता तेरा क्या है इरादा तेरा जो तुम्हारे तू तेरा मैं तो हूँ तेरा तेरी बातों ने तो मुलाकातों ने जीना
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tanishka. Thank you for your alluring performance. Thank you. Next participant, Sachin Prajapati. Anshul, are you there? Anshul?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Beta, please be ready after Sachin. Your turn will be there.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, please start, beta. Good, Sachin. Thank you, beta. Thank you. After Sachin, Anshul. Anshul, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
After Anshul, Ashwin, are you here, beta?
Yes.
Beta, please be
Yes,
ready
sir.
after Anshul, your performance will be there, है ना?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Let's start.
हाँ, yes, beta, you should start.
या अल्लाह, काले से डर गए क्या? हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं। हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं। हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं। हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं। हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं। हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं। तू कौन है? औकात क्या है? औकात। Should I tell him or show him? दूसरा मेरे को बताएगा मैं कौन हूँ। क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा.
Excuse me, Arav. Arav.
Yes, sir.
Judges, please, do you want to say something? Because audible, I think audio is not clear.
Sir, those students who are taking music pieces, like the students who are doing their dance numbers on beat or something of a rhythmic sort, they please ensure students that your audio is clear. Because if
Yes.
we are able to recognize the song, we can make a judgment on that part. But if you're taking some tune or some rhythm or some beat, it makes it difficult if the audio is not clear. So if my co-judge is agreeing to it, we would like to redo a performance. Shruti ma'am.
Sachin and Arav, both we should repeat, I believe.
Sure, ma'am, no problem.
We can father director also, if father permits.
Father, please.
Because on
I think you can make the judgment on the, at least that much it was audible that we are knowing the steps and so on. I think it was not that bad. I don't know what others feel. I feel that it was audible quite, and then judges can at least view the song and then judge accordingly. Do you need?
One thing Sachin did on a familiar song, so Sachin, I believe we can make a judgment because the song was familiar. So we are able to understand what the song was, and we can.
Then you decide with your other judges. I mean, I do not know. Okay.
But Arav did it on a music piece.
So you, three of you, those who are judging, please decide what you have to do. Okay. Yeah.
So judges, with due permission of father or with your consent, should we repeat others' performance?
Yeah, because Sachin will be able to make out because he was doing on a familiarized song. So Sachin, I think, is okay. Arav, only the place where you are using the beats, the rhythmic portion of the song, that needs to be clear. So better if you could make something like if you can do the audio setting better.
Okay,
and,
ma'am.
the performance.
What is the other judges are speaking? All other judges.
Yes, actually the Sachin which Sachin performed, actually those songs were familiar to us. We have heard that song and even the whole music, so we can mark accordingly. But that Arav has performed on music, so I think we should repeat that at least. And on YouTube also it is not clear, father.
And Shruti, you don't block your throat, otherwise you don't know what you're speaking.
Sorry, father. Father, on YouTube also it was not clear.
Okay, fine. You decide. I have no problem. Okay.
So we can go for the judgment, but Arav's we have to repeat if you
Okay,
come.
fine. Then do it.
Okay, so with the permissions of all, Arav, beta, you will repeat your performance after the last contest. Sonali Yadav, you will repeat your performance.
Very good.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Okay, and there is a request, and there is a request to all participants. Please keep your mobile on horizontal mode. Please keep your mobile on horizontal mode. Are you listening, students? Hello, students, are you listening, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please keep your mobile on horizontal mode, beta. So next, I would like to invite Ashwin. Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Ashwin. After Ashwin, Shivani is here. Shivani Joshi. Shivani Joshi is
Yes,
here.
sir.
हाँ बेटा, please be ready after
Yes,
Ashwin's
sir.
performance, है ना? Okay. Ashwin, you can start, बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Let's transform.
क्या है? तुम क्या अपने आप को मुगल आजम हम लोग का अनारकली समझता है बे? कितना बता रहा है?
Sir, completed?
गगन सर, हेलो गगन सर.
Thank you. Now I will like to call Shivani Joshi. Shivani, are you here?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, Gagan sir. Sir, students, all of you, please make sure that your mics are mute. Gagan sir, you being the host, can you please make sure that all the
Yes.
mics are mute?
Yes, yes. Beta, I am repeating again and again. Please keep your mic on mute or mode, and please keep your mobile on horizontal mode. Please, beta. है ना? And apart from performing students, please all other students keep their mobile on mute mode. ठीक है? Shivani, start, beta. After Shivani, Ashisha is here. Ashisha, you are here now?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yes, sir.
Gagan sir.
Shivani's performance.
Gagan sir.
Yes.
Arti
Yes,
wanted to
sir.
say
Yes, sir.
something. Arti wanted to say something. What she's asking to ask.
Okay.
Arti madam, you
Sure,
want to
Arti
say
ma'am.
something?
हेलो गगन सर.
Yes, ma'am.
सर आपका मोबाइल जो है वो स्पीकर मोड पे डाल दीजिए ना, स्पीकर व्यू.
मैम मेरा मोबाइल जो है स्पीकर मोड पर ही है.
स्पीकर व्यू, बिकॉज
Speaker view.
यूट्यूब पे सिंगल स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही है. जो बच्चे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं उनका सिंगल स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा है. एंड दैट
मैम
इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर.
ये ऑप्शन कहाँ से आता है स्पीकर व्यू का? बिकॉज जितना मैं जानता हूँ अभी मैं
सर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टॉप कॉर्नर पे आपको
स्क्रॉल करिए आप स्क्रॉल करिए स्क्रीन को. तो
मैंने स्पीकर पे ही रखा हुआ है. ईयरफोन पे नहीं था पहले मेरा. मैंने स्पीकर पे ही रखा हुआ है.
नहीं, स्पीकर व्यू.
व्यू होता है. एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं होता है. जैसे जब छोटे छोटे कैप वो आते हैं आपको दिखेंगे स्क्रीन. छोटी स्क्रीन को स्क्रॉल करेंगे तो एक फुल साइज स्क्रीन भी आ जाती है.
Ankur sir, you are not audible to me. Ankur sir, you are not audible. Hello. Ankur sir.
सर मैं आपको कॉल करके बात करूंगा.
Hello, Gagan sir.
Ma'am, I think Uncle sir has called him, so he's on call.
Okay, the next participant. Who is the next participant? Sonali or Shivani?
Shivani is the next. Shivani is the next performance. After Shivani, Ashisha will be.
Okay.
Shivani Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Beta, please start. Good, beta, good. Good, beta. Very energetic performance. Next participant, Ashisha. Ashisha Joseph.
Yes, sir.
Beta.
Yes, sir.
After Ashisha, Shreya Saxena. Shreya, are you here? Shreya? Shreya? Shreya, are you here? Shreya? Shreya Saxena is here. She is showing. Okay. After Sonali, are you here? Sonali? Okay. After Ashisha's performance, you will be ready, beta.
Okay. So can I start?
Yes, beta. Start. Good, Ashisha. Very energetic performance. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Shreya, are you here, Shreya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So after Shreya, Sonali. Hello, Sonali.
Yes.
Beta,
Yes,
after
sir.
Shreya, you will be there, na? You will be ready. Okay, after Shreya.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shreya,
Okay.
please start. Please start, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, there seems to be some disturbance.
There is some disturbance.
Sir, even Ashisha's video was not clear on YouTube. So can we repeat her dance as well?
As your judges, both of you are judges, as you say, or after the permission of Father Director, we can repeat like Arav.
I believe if anyone is seeing Aarti ma'am, are you seeing the videos on YouTube as well?
Ma'am, video is clear. Only audio is not clear.
Audio is not clear.
So
Video is clear, but
ma'am, song is familiar to us.
Yes, song is familiar, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. So I think go ahead.
Okay, not to repeat.
If you can judge on such basis, so no problem at all.
So what's your opinion, judges?
YouTube view was clear, then no issues. We can continue with the next performance.
Okay. Shreya, please continue. Shreya,
Okay, sir.
please continue, beta.
Yes, sir.
तेरे नाल रहोगे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है मर गया मैं चाबी छोड़ के ना तेरे नाल रहोगे तू श्रृंगार मेरा तू है मर गया मैं तेरी जिन्ना तू मेरा सोया सोया मेरा कितने दिल में गया
Thank you, Shreya. After Shreya, Sonali,
Yes, sir.
are you ready, beta?
हाँ sir, एक मिनट.
Anshul, are you here? Anshul? Anshul?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
है ना? After Sonali's performance, your repeat performance will be there, है ना?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Sonali, start, beta. Please keep your mobile on horizontal mode, please. Sonali. 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 Please, Sonali, please unmute your audio, beta.
Horizontal में रख. आशीष.
Please keep your mobile on horizontal mode and start.
सामने आना आना आना. No.
Back कर. Start.
जीना 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 उड़ा गुलाब माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाब माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जग से हारा नहीं मैं खुद से हारा हूँ माँ एक दिन चमकूंगा लेकिन तेरा सितारा हूँ माँ माई रे तेरे
Thank you, Sonali. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to call our last participant. That is Anshul. Anshul, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Beta. Please start. Please keep your speaker close to you, beta. So that voice should be clear.
Sir, shall I start?
Yes, beta, yes, you start.
या अल्लाह, काले से डर गए क्या? हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं, हम तेरे 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 चाहने वाले हैं, हमें काले हैं तो क्या हुआ दिल वाले हैं। कौन है? औकात क्या है? औकात? Should I tell him or show him?
नहीं सुधरना, उठने लगा है चाहतों का झंडा, इनकी नाम रम्मत है हो कोई
दूसरा मेरे को बताएगा मेरे को, क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा।
Good beta, good. Very energetic performance. And I want to say that यहाँ पर डांस करने वाले भी दिल वाले हैं और जितने लोग डांस देख रहे हैं सभी लोग वो सभी दिल वाले हैं. Good. So all performers have performed. All performers have performed their dance. So now I would like to call our judges, Professor Rachel Pravar and Professor Shruti Pagare, for their comments.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to say that judging today's performance was very difficult. All of the performances were exceptionally good. The participants did really well. But other than that, I want to congratulate the participants because they took up the challenge and came out with flying colors. I want to thank all the members of the faculty, Father Director and Sister Principal for organizing this wonderful competition. And I hope we will be able to conduct more such competitions successfully. So thank you.
Thank you, Rachel ma'am. Shruti ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants. And yes, we are thankful to Father Director, Sister Principal, and all the members of faculties for organizing such event. No doubt that SPIPS is a talent hub. We have seen in this last few days that SPIPS is a talent hub, and efforts of the students were clearly seen. They have performed very wonderfully, and splendid performances they have given. So I would like to congratulate them once again, and all the best for the results.
Thank you, Shruti ma'am, for your comments. Now I would like to call our Vice Principal, Professor Dr. Vishal Mehta, for their expressive views. Sir, please.
Thank you, Gagan sir. The program was really very good, and I'm thanking God that I was not a judge. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for me to judge such splendid performance. So, congratulations to all the participants, as well as hats off to judges. They really have to work very hard for this. And thank you, Father. Thank you, Sister. And congratulations to program committee as well. Thank you, Gagan sir.
Thank you, Vishal sir. Thank you. Now I would like to call our Sister Principal for present the views. Sister,
Can you
please.
audible me?
Yes, Sister, you are audible.
Can you see me?
Yes, Sister.
Yeah, then okay. So thank you. Anil sir is there, no?
Yeah.
Invite him, Anil sir.
Okay. So I invite Anil sir. Please. Hello, Anil sir. Anil sir. Hello.
No. Okay.
Anil sir, please, Anil sir, please.
Anil sir is there.
Yes, Anil sir is here, sister.
Okay. Tell him to.
Please, Anil sir, comments your views.
Hello.
Anil sir.
Maybe he is not there. Okay.
No, sister, he is here.
Then tell him maybe not audible.
Anil sir, are you listening? Anil sir.
आपका mic mute है. You need to unmute your mic.
Anil sir. Hello. Anil sir is here, sister.
Then tell him.
I am telling, sister. I am inviting him, but
So, but he is not hearing. That is why the problem. Okay. Then I will conclude. Okay. So, my dear participants, congratulations. Very well. Now, it is a difficult task for the judges to give first, second, and third. Then thank you. And this is nice, no? Now all things are going on now online. So this is a great chance for you to participate in this one and perform. And it is very nice for me to see my dear children performing very well also. Then I thank the program committee, that is Arati Patel, then Sarida Rana and Suvarna ma'am, and the judge, host also, you did very good job today. Then judges Rachel Pawar and Sudhi ma'am. So this is a great task for you. So judge it. May God give you the wisdom to judge correctly. Okay. And all the participants and the class teachers also, no, you motivated your students to perform in this way. So thank you for all the class teachers. They did very great job, no. So thank you once again for all people, that is those who related to this one, program committee, judges, hosts, and everything, and dear participants and dear viewers also. So many are seeing this program, sir. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Now, thank you, sister. Now I invite last but not least our हमारे पथ प्रदर्शक, हमारे मोटिवेटर, जिन्होंने हमको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और जिन्होंने हमें प्रोत्साहित किया कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को लाएं, और काफी हमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस भी देखने को मिला. तो मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं. नाउ आई इनवाइट योर डायरेक्टर फादर. Father is here, sister. Father is here.
Then okay.
Yeah, I had told sister that I will not be available then, but performance was so good, so I remained. It's very good. I want to congratulate Gagan sir for hosting this program.
Thank you, Father.
Very much. And both the judges, I know, as Vishal said, it is very difficult to judge, but definitely they will do the best. Okay. And I special thanks to program committee. The first phase is over. Finale is over of the first, and you really did very well. I am so happy. The program committee programmed out, and then we are successfully completed one phase. Okay. Another phase.
Thank you, Father. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, it was very good, and many are getting motivated. Many calls I am getting, and they're telling, they're appreciating that we are engaging the students. So thanks a lot for your creativity, your innovative ideas, and it's going on so well. So do it well, okay? And all the viewers, participants, okay, you really today prepared so much. I could see all the performance, so much preparation is being done. So thank you very much, and all the parents, brothers, sisters, those who are holding the camera and really making them to perform. Thanks to all of you. And I'm sure that in the course of time, we will do much more innovative things. So thank you very much, and God bless you. All the best. Okay.
Thank you, Father. At last, I would like to thank our judges, our director, Father Simon Raj, the assistant principal or vice principal, Dr. Vishal Mehta, members of program committee, all the faculties, and last all the dear students. And उनके जैसा कि फादर ने बोला, उनकी फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी, क्योंकि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं परफॉर्म किया, हमने देखा कि उनके साथ में उनके परिवार वालों का भी बहुत योगदान रहा है इस चीज में. कोई ने माइक पकड़ा, कोई ने कुछ तैयारी की, तो सभी का बहुत धन्यवाद. और ये अपना जो आज का इवेंट था, आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा रहा, सक्सेसफुल रहा. तो सभी को, अनिल सर प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर, थैंक्स टू यू. तो आरती मैम, सरिता मैम, रेचल मैम, सबके नाम तो लेना, प्रोग्राम कमेटी के मेंबर, थैंक्स वंस अगेन. थैंक
यू गगन सर फॉर नाइस होस्टिंग. बहुत अच्छे से होस्ट किया आपने. थैंक्स अ लॉट गगन सर. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Can we conclude our program?